is our manufacturing facility. Come in and take a look. Okay, so here we are packing off our Aura Manuka Honey Mask. This is our state-of-the-art tube folding machine, which folds 2,500 tubes every hour, so around 20,000 units per day. The tubes are aluminium and they're specially lined, so that keeps the product integrity in place and stops the packaging leaking into the product. And they look great on your bathroom shelf as well. This is what it looks like as an end product. This is our famous New Zealand nature wallpaper design. The cardboard we use is biodegradable card from sustainable forests, and like all of our products, that is certified as well. The ink we use is vegetable ink, so it's great for the environment. And as you can see, isn't this great? Antipodes palette, and it's about to go off to Europe later today.